How to cold email clients. Best cold email templates. Do you expect your cold email open rates to be between 58–80%? There are a few factors you need to work on to achieve this, and I'm going to reveal one of them in this video. Many of us struggle with getting our emails open, let alone getting a response. It's frustrating to put in all that effort only to be met with silence. I've got killer cold email templates that we've been using at Woodpecker, and I'm going to share them with you to ensure your business never runs out of effective cold messages. I'll go through the templates word by word and show you how to use them with real examples. The best part is that you can adjust these frameworks to specific niches, like recruitment, sales, real estate, and more. Let's start. First one, PASS model. The PASS model stands for problem or pain, agitation, solution. It frames your message in three important parts: identifying a pain point, emphasizing how much it hurts, and offering a solution that brings relief. We all want relief from pain, right? Start with the problem by pointing out a specific pain point that's relevant to what they're doing. For example, cultural difficulties when entering a new market, like China. Next, agitation. How can your prospects get out of this? Emphasize the discomfort of the problem and how important it is to solve it. Finally, present your product as the solution, a sweet relief to all the problems. Notice that templates can also help you get the best length for your message. Try to keep each element of the template as 1 or 2 sentences. For instance, 1 sentence for the problem, 1 sentence for the agitation, and 1 for the solution. Ideally, you want to stay around 30–70 words for your emails, with 50 being the middle ground. The 40 format created by cold email expert Josh Braun. The first T stands for truth sentence. Start by pointing to a real challenge your prospect might be facing. Find a trigger that shows this email is written specifically for them, not just anyone. Remember that this first sentence sets the tone for the rest of the email. The second is a think sentence. Get the prospect to consider how or if they are preparing to deal with this challenge. So, for example, how do you know you're not overpaying for software? The third is third-party validation. Build credibility by showing specific results others have achieved. This is like social proof, where you mention another company using your solution and seeing great results. Show them that this isn't just an abstract problem, but an issue that, when resolved, can make a big difference. So if you say that a CFO at Extensive was able to save 15% using your tech, this gets them thinking, am I making the same mistake he did? Maybe I should be paying less. Finally, talk sentence. An invitation to continue the conversation. Use phrases like open to, want to know how they're doing this, or worth considering. AIDA. This formula consists of 4 parts: attention, interest, desire, and action. The goal of your first sentence is to get attention. Think of an eye-catching opening that will also appear in your prospect's inbox preview text. I like to use a question to set the context, so we can go with ever struggled with the mountain of resumes? Interest is basically answering the question, why should they care about this? So try to tailor your offer to their needs as much as you can. Then you need to create desire by highlighting the clear benefits and value you offer to increase interest. And a direct call to action at the end to clearly state what you want the recipient to do next. And there you have it, the best cold email templates that you can use for the rest of 2024 and all of 2025. What you need to do now is start sending your emails based on those frameworks. You can do it in Woodpecker, of course, and test which approach performs best for your niche and target audience. If you need more resources, we have a whole gallery of cold email templates with over 70 examples. There you'll find more email frameworks adjusted to different needs and businesses, such as recruitment, sales, networking, and follow-up frameworks, which are crucial in your cold outreach cadence. Oh, and by the way, if you've reached this part of the video, I bet you are motivated to be the best in cold emails. And I'm not only talking copywriting-wise. If you want to learn how to create, send, and manage effective cold email campaigns, we have an Academy cold email course with all the info you need to start cold outreach. Leave a comment Academy under this video and I'll share the link with you. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get more news from us, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!